Hello everybody, again welcome to Data Analysis Python part 2, our previous project. Okay, last time we said that the question was like that. Let's check out, find the number of times when the weather exactly clear, and we solve it like that. So now our next question is like the let's put here markdown cell in here and let's see it again. Yeah, okay, anyway, let's continue from here. Let's type markdown in here. Okay, I think it's markdown too. Okay, let's continue. Our next question is that find the number of times when the wind speed was exactly 4 km/h. Let's type my question in here. Wind speed exactly equal to 4 km/h. Okay, guys, and let's run this cell, our question in here. Okay, now let's again from data frame again we are going to call our weather column, actually weather wind speed. I mean not weather, I'm sorry for confusion, wind speed. And now what it's asked to us, where exactly 4 km/h. I'm sorry for forgetting here, I should put again that one to here too. Okay, where exactly 4. Okay, guys, and let's run this cell. Okay, it gives us whole rows where the wind speed exactly is 4 km/h. As you see, guys, it's 474 rows. In our current data set we have wind speed for 4 km/h. Okay, let's another question is like that. Let's mark down again and see, find out all the null values in the data. Okay, our question for all null values. Okay, guys, let's see. Okay, how we can see whole null values in here. Let's find isNull, guys, it's a method, we can use it and see all of them. Okay, it gives like that, false, true, like that. If it is null, it will be true, but if it is not null, it will give us false. But let's sum it. Okay, let's like that and rerun our cell again. Okay, it gives us whole columns and number of null values. As you see, guys, our current data set doesn't have null values. Okay, and we can also check it like that, not null values. Okay, not null values. Let's check not okay, I'm sorry, not null values. Okay, and again let's sum it, see. Okay, as you see, guys, this means that we have this amount of rows in each column, not non-values. Okay, our next questions, let's mark down again in here and to see our next question. Our next question is like that, guys. Rename the column name weather of the data frame to weather condition. Okay, if you want to, maybe for your future project you want to rename your column names, it's also possible. So that reason we need to also know this, learn this. Okay, rename. Again, many mistakes. Rename weather column. Okay, weather column. It's our next task. Okay, let's call our data frame and rename function. Name function and open parentheses and columns. Right, columns. Again, in here, curly braces. What we want to change? We want to change weather. We want to change weather to what? We want to change it weather to weather condition. Okay, guys. Then we are using in place true. Why we using in place true? Because when we again call it this data frame, we'll see that we already replaced weather with weather conditions. Okay, guys. Okay, now let's run our data set. Not data set, our cell. Okay, I'm sorry. And call our data frame again. Head, for example, 5 of rows. Let's call 5. As you see, guys, what's in here? As you see in here, it's weather condition. We already updated our weather column name. Okay, guys. Okay, that's so cool. Okay, let's go another question in here. Okay, the question 6 is about that. What is the mean of visibility column? Okay, column. Okay, guys, let's also think about this. Okay, guys, if you don't know what's mean, median, average, please go. Maybe in the future I will try to make this also for our for projects. But currently, I assume that you have some statistic knowledge because it will be very important for data analysis. But mostly during this project, I focused on how we can use Python for this purpose. Okay, so but it will be better if you learn some math for data analysis. It's highly recommended and highly important because without this you can't be a good data analyst. So okay, again, let's call our visibility column visibility kilometer that we call mean method like that. Mean. Okay, just write mean and as a function. Okay, and let's call it. Okay, guys, it's our mean of visibility column. Okay, guys, but please don't forget to check out what's the mean, what's the median, what's the average, because most of the time while you're working this data, it is very important when you come to a conclusion anything about the data science, data analysis. It is very nice to understand what column average, what's the median, what's the mean, what's the median, what's the mean. You will use it a lot. Okay, let's check out our another question. What is the standard deviation of pressure and variance of relative humidity in this data? Okay, we also need standard deviation and variance, guys. I'm just showing it how we can learn it by the help of Python, but it is related to statistics. So you also need to know some statistics. standard deviation of pressure. Sorry guys, I'm sorry for this. Let us add in here markdown cell. Okay guys, markdown we are putting for just writing and variance of relative humidity. Sorry, okay guys, let's write our code in here. Okay, let's again call our pressure kilopascal, and again just we can find the standard deviation just std method guys. Let's run our code. Okay, this number is our standard deviation of pressure kilopascal column. Okay guys, and let's also check out another column that let's use this method, relative humidity. Relative humidity, I hope I don't make a mistake. Okay, and what we are looking for relative humidity, we are looking for variance. Just write var in here and run our cell. Okay guys, it's our variance. Okay guys, by using these methods, functions, we can find standard deviation, variance, mean, median, and etc. Okay, let's count. In here we are looking for next questions in here again. Let's again add in here markdown. By the way guys, at the final stage of our project, I will put this repo on my GitHub account and you can download it, check it. But again, don't forget that without writing code you can't be a good data analyst, programmer, coder, developer anyway. So you need to work, you need to make your hands dirty and try it, because you will face many errors. By solving these errors you will become real developer. Okay, let's write our questions in here. Okay, let's check it. Snow. Okay, all snow cases, let's call it cases. Okay guys, all weather conditions where is snow happened. Okay, let's check out how we can do this guys. As you remember from previous questions, we can use value counts. Okay, again let's value counts conditions, we can call weather conditions. Let's check out like that. Sorry, this weather condition. As you remember, we renamed it already in previous task. So let's call value counts in here. Sorry, this value counts. As you see guys, we can see whole weather conditions and the number of rows on these conditions. We can see it like that, snow where it is, but also we can use this method like that to see our, maybe you want to see which rows are belongs to snow cases. So let's check it again how we can do this, and we can check it like that. weather condition. Again, I'm going to check from here, and where the weather condition is equal to what? Snow, guys. Okay, equal to snow weather conditions. Okay, let's run our cell again. If you forget, by using shortcut Shift Enter, you can run our cells. Okay, guys, as you see, it gives whole rows where the snow is weather condition, and number of rows in here, as you see, 390. Okay, guys. Also, we can use a method string contains where snow cases happen. Maybe it's not exactly snow, but in some cases maybe it's together snow, fog, for example, wind all together, but also snow is happening. So for that purposes, I'm going to use string contains. So let's show you what it is. Okay, let's call again weather condition and where okay, and let's do like that, type string that contains, as you see this from it's recommended to us, contains snow. So for that reason, guys, I highly recommend to check out some beginner friendly Python, because it is very important. As I assume that you already know, but if you don't know, please check out, because it's very important. As you see, guys, from here, total we have 583 rows where the snow is used. As you see, guys, snow showers. For example, it's not just about snow, also it's also includes showers weather condition. Okay, guys, very nice. So I think for part 2 it is enough, and let's continue the rest of our project in part 3. Have a nice day.